Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a Teachers Day pop-up greeting card. So let's get started. So the things that you need are colored paper, a black ballpoint and sketch pen, a glue, a white colored pencil, because here actually in this card I wanted to do like a chalkboard but without chalk, so like a chalk we can use a white colored pencil and some black paper also we want. Actually I forgot to tell that when I was telling colored paper, but you can see that there was a black color paper. Last thing is scissors. We needed to cut the papers and like cutting shapes and sheets of paper for these. So let's get started. First we have to take our color sheet. Here is my color sheet. So we need to fold it into half. Yeah. So let's start. First I should start by folding my card. Here I'm using a dark blue colored paper. You can use any other colors. Try to keep it as nice as possible. So it should be like the correct point where you are folding the paper. And while folding, take this part of your nail and then press it like this. So it gives you a nice crease. Like this. You have your basic card ready here, and let's open it and do the inside decoration, and then let's come back to the outside decoration. First, the thing I wanted to do was a blackboard and like a chalk thing. So for that I have this black colored paper. Yeah, cut it into size and how much you want the blackboard to be. Actually we can do it on the outside also. Actually I'm doing it on the outside because if we do it on the inside we will have the pop-up card, so we cannot do it inside. So it's your wish. If you don't want to do the pop-up card and do only the Teachers Day like chalkboard, you can do that. I'll shape it show you. So my blackboard is ready, so you can see here my blackboard, and now we have to do some creative art on this. So let's do it. First, as I told, we need a white colored pencil. Yeah, a white colored pencil, and then we have to doodle here on the black sheet. After doodling, so here my blackboard is done, but it looks very like the shape is not very good. So let's cut it into a shape. So first, cutting into a shape is very easy, but here I'm gonna cut it into a cloud shape. So you have to see that the text comes inside the like cloud. So for that I'm folding it in half and then cutting it. So here I've cut it in my cloud shape. It's a little like very funny and all because it's like folded into half like that. So but it looks very good. So let's glue it in place. Oh, we did not write day here. Here you can see that I did not write day, and it's getting lighter over here like the chalk part. So let's write day and let's darken up a little. Here I am using a black sketch to write it because it's very dark colored paper. Please don't mind my handwriting because it's very like I wanted to try a new style but the T went wrong. So here you can see the first page. It looks very pretty, and let's do the pop-up part. First I have opened my card And if you can see, that's the fold. You can see over there the fold. Yeah, that's the fold, and we have to work with it also. And then we have to take another colored sheet. Here I am using yellow because it's very bright, and you can see here also yellow. I felt it was very bright with this color and it matches nicely. So yellow color I'm using. So here first you need to cut 2 pieces, 2 to 3 pieces, like 3 pieces, because we need to write Happy Teachers Day in 3D. Okay, let's cut them out. So here we have our 3 pieces cut out. So you can see I have cut out 3 yellow strips, and now we have to follow a few steps. First, fold the strips into half, so that when we are sticking them and when they are coming 3D, they need to fold up inside the card. After that, we need to just give a slight fold over here like this, together 2 layers. And then what we have to do, fold them inside. One will come outside and we need to gently fold it inside. So you can see like this, we have to glue them. So like that it will come and then it will close like this. So let's do to the 3 of them. So all of the 3 are done. Here you can see, as you can see, all the 3 are done. And now let's move on to the next step, which is gluing. Before that, we have to write Happy Teachers Day on it. So I wanted to try out the calligraphy font, like type of calligraphy. So let's do it, and I'll show you guys how to do it also. First, write the word. With a black pen I'm writing, so you can just see happy I wrote. Yeah, after that, then what we have to do is take one black sketch and then highlight the left side of all of them. After doing, I'll show you how it looks. It's looking a little different, but it's a nice, it's a nice font and you can try it. But mine is looking a little like dirty because I did not do it very nicely and the sketch was too thick and it came like this. But you can try it. It's very nice font. Let's do it to the rest of them. So here I've done all of them. You can see all of them are done. Happy Teachers Day. And let's get into sticking them. Yeah. First, what we have to do is take the card and then you have to fold it nicely. Mine is a little curled because I rolled all the papers. So be careful and that you have a nice and straight paper. And then you have to glue like this. Like this, and it will be very nice. Need to glue a little like that. Okay, so I'll glue it, and so I just glued them, and once after gluing they're still loose, I'll just fold them and then let it to dry. Like that you need to fold, and I'm just putting a little weight like that. I'm putting the stone so that it will dry a little faster. I just wanted to show you guys how it will look once the 3D card. So like a gap it will come. So you can make it anywhere, like a gift box also. But after it dries, you'll have a nice look because the blue and yellow glue has mixed with the blue and yellow colored sheet and it's becoming green stains. But it's okay. We have to take it. Afterwards, I'll check it. Okay, once I'll show you one look, how it looks right now. See, this is how our card looks right now. Yeah. So I'll show you after it dries.